Hey guys, Ron here with Riding Some Properties. Today we're showing a property in Atami. This is the direct sale only. I had met this woman randomly when I was in the area looking for another home, and she's wanting to sell these two properties. This is one of them she's selling. I'll be posting another one here shortly. This one's selling for 5.8 million yen, which is about 36,000 USD. It's been pretty much completely renovated. At the end of the video, I'm actually going over a list that she gave me of all the renovations and the costs involved so you can get an idea of what has been done to the property and also how much renovations actually cost. I think it's a really great property for the value at 36,000 USD. You don't have to worry about too many other renovations in the property. It's 2 rooms. It has a pretty nice view out the back on the patio and also has a view of Fuji out there. So watch this tour, enjoy, please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos that I'll be posting shortly. I'm in this house that has been renovated, mostly. See, the door frames are about here on me. Again, I'm about 6 foot tall. But floors have been redone, walls have been redone. Kitchen is the main thing over here that's been redone. Patio has been reinforced. There's a great view, great view of Fuji over here. And for the price, not a bad property to consider. It is a bit older and might need a little bit more work, but here's another property in Atami. Here's the home, 5.8 million yen, 36,000 USD, 1-story, 2 LDK, built in 1976, 65 square meters building, 279 square meters total, 25-minute drive from Atami Station, but just pretty close to the nearest bus stop. Here's the Google Maps from Atami Station, and there's the spot up at the top, and I'm going to be doing another video of a second property that is direct, that is in better condition and more expensive, of course, but please like and subscribe to get notifications on that. Here's the property, and as I said in the beginning of the video, I'll go over a list of the renovations and the costs that they had put into this home. There is a driveway out front that can fit 2 cars. Renovation costs have gone up. Not only that, it's just hard to do renovations with everything going on in the world to get supplies. So Hide, our president, is doing renovations on one of his homes, and it's a little backed up right now and delayed because of these. So that's one thing also to keep in mind. Here's a room. It's been a storage room. So basically, the owner had bought these 2 homes for a holiday home to get away during COVID, and also they do several different businesses, so it was more of a storage area as well. But they had put a lot of time, effort, and money into renovations. Everything is functioning. They have been on site once a month to air out the properties, make sure there's no mold, anything like that. Floor was a little bit soft right there. Here's the 1 toilet in the home, and as you can see, this entire area has been renovated. Hallway was a little narrow. There's a washing machine and a shower. No bath in here. Just the shower, but you can see this is modern looking. Has the drain off on the bottom right on the floor. Everything works and pressure is good. And I believe they will also leave some items in the home if you're wanting to keep them. The air cons in this home are less than 6 months old. They had just bought them and put them in. Those will stay with the property. Also an added bonus. See, it looks quite nice in here. Could be a good opportunity for Airbnb. Nice holiday home like most of our clients. We have sold quite a few homes in this area of Atami. Here's the balcony, and off in the distance there is Mount Fuji peeking over that tree. And just a really great view from the balcony. See one of the screens off there. They had reinforced this entire balcony with some beams that I believe I show here shortly. See those 3 beams sticking out there? That runs all the way through the balcony. It is reinforced and sturdy. There's a lot of land that comes with this property, however, most of it is unusable. They reported no leaking on the roof. However, there are some spots here that are open. You know, it is an older home, but there have been no animals in there. And they have had it inspected in the past, and there's no issues. However, that's something you might want to put some work into later, but as is, it seems to be fine for them. They've had this home for about 5 years now. So here's the dining area with the system kitchen. All of this is installed. Again, I'll go over the pricing at the end of the video. It does have a dishwasher and this 4-burner stove that is functioning. So pretty much turnkey style, ready to live in. Don't need to worry about renovations. There are a lot of empty houses in this area, but most of them do need renovating. So for the price they're asking, I think this is a very fair value. Again, something like the fridge, I think they'd be okay keeping that refrigerator here. Lots of storage here in the kitchen. Here's the second bedroom here at the end of the home. There was something blocking the doorway. That's why it wasn't opening. There we go. See, they have a small bed back here. There's the second aircon that will come with this home as well. Floors, walls, and ceilings have been redone. This also does access the balcony. View of Fuji with a little bit of snow left on top. And we'll go down below the house. Actually, I met this woman randomly because I was looking for a house and I was walking down this area and I asked her if she knew where this house was. It was down the road and I randomly met her. She's very nice and said she's trying to sell her houses. I said I can maybe help with that. See, it's up on these stilts. So a lot of this land back here would be part of the property. However, as you can see, it's not going to be very usable. You can see those reinforcements there underneath, the new wood. So for the price, I think it's a very good value. Now let's get into the breakdown of the renovations. As you can see, there's a lot of renovations here. She said I'm completely fine sharing this list online, and totaling is 6.97 million. That does include the property purchase cost of the house. That was 1.4 million yen. So, you know, basically what they're asking for is just covering the cost. New system kitchen, flooring, ceiling and insulation, utility upgrades, toilet renovations, bathroom renovations, You know, just you can pause this video if you want and kind of go over this list. This will also give you an idea of what renovations cost. However, from now they might even be going up and be more expensive. So if you're looking to buy a property and wanting to renovate it, this is already done for you, and it's been pretty extensively renovated. So I think this is a really good opportunity for someone wanting to buy in this area. It's still a very reasonable price at 34,000 USD. If you're interested in purchasing this property or others in the area or anywhere in Japan, please reach out. We are a licensed real estate agent. I will be posting another video shortly of a home they bought in the same area that they also renovated that has a fantastic view of Mount Fuji and is a very cool cabin feel. So, you know, like and subscribe, stay tuned for that one. Thank you guys always for checking out these videos, and stay tuned for more. We've been doing a lot of viewings and have a lot of videos coming up soon.